Morning. I am Ramesh Javir from Kharsundi, Taluka Atpadi district, Sangli. Nature, morning, good morning nature. Sun is rising to the east and there is a very beautiful atmosphere. Morning. These clouds are looking like a river of water. Very nice picture. God is very good painter. We must see this